everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Freelancer app on iOS device. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your app store from where you can download Freelancer. Now on the bottom right side you can see a search button. Tap on it. Go to the search bar and type for Freelancer. Tap on search. Now tap on the very first Freelancer app, hire and find jobs. Tap on get. Add your Touch ID or your password. It'll start getting downloaded. After it has been downloaded, tap on open. That is all for today. That is how you download Freelancer app on iOS device. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.